We all know how imperative it is for an online store to have proper payment options in place. Without a proper payment facility, you cannot even expect to run an online store in the first place. So in this tutorial, we are going to tell you how to set payment options for your Zeppo store. To do so, go to Setting menu and select Payment Options. You can see multiple tabs on the top: Indian Payment Gateway, COD, Bank Deposit, PayPal. We would go through each of them, but first let's start with COD, that is Cash on Delivery. To make COD available to your customers, turn it on here. You can add the COD charges here or simply leave it if they are not applicable. Second is Indian Payment Gateway. If you want to give payment gateway facility like pay via credit card or debit card to your customers, then you can do it here. All you have to do is just turn it on here and add the requisite details. To do so, fill in the details. First your account name, which is basically your brand name. Then add your account ID and salt key. You get your salt key from the payment gateway company after you have registered for the payment gateway. And to know more about it, please consult our ops team. Set the execution mode to live, and that is it. When you are done, click on update and you are good to use your payment gateway. Third option is bank deposit. So if you want your customers to pay you directly in your bank account, then you can do it here. Just add your bank and account details, and that is it. Fourth option is PayPal, which you can use for international payments. But this feature is available only on our selected plans. To activate PayPal on your store, just put in the email ID registered with PayPal and switch payment mode to live. That is it. Your payment is all set up. Go try it out now and give your awesome customers the payment facility that they deserve. If you have any queries, please write into us at support@zeppo.in, or you can give us a call at 0922 358 3358.